The triple crown interior painting is under production. It's going very, very well. We got this big area here behind us painted. Things are going well. We're going to transition to the outside and start coating that after this is done. But a lot of trim work in here. Very, very detailed trim work in here that's being produced. Beautiful, gorgeous trim around the fireplaces and stuff like that that's being done. Nothing in this home is cheap. It's all very, very complex and very, very gorgeous, but it's all under production right now. All the carpets in here are being replaced, so that's a blessing. Yeah, up here is being turned all white. Typically that would be painted in between there. They've chosen to take this all white, so very, very pretty. I'll take you guys up to the top and show you guys up here what this looks like from above. It's very, very gorgeous. Boom. This is what's all being produced right now, is all this through here. And out through here. Very, very pretty. As you can see, all the trim work is very, very detailed and pretty. And so that's what we're doing right now. And then as soon as this wraps up, the exterior starts. And I'll take you guys out there real quick and I'll show you what's going on out there.
You don't want to keep this. It's garbage.
It's very, very detailed work and can be meticulous to do this interior trim in here. So this is a combination painting project, interior and exterior. And what's happening, as soon as we're done in there, bounce out here. I can't see what we're on here, my face. There we go. We're gonna bounce out here and start doing all this fascia, trim, gutters, any downspouts. We're gonna start coating them. There are some areas of concern on this house that we're gonna be addressing as far as restoration wise is concerned. Up there in the corner, there's a little spot that we're gonna fix. And I think there's an area back here of major concern, if I can find it. One second. I just seen it the other day. Let's see where it's at here. There we go. And there's a couple of these around the house. You can see there where we have an area of concern up there where that the soffit underside boarding there has a hole in it, and we're gonna have to replace that and fix that. But that's what's great about ExtraPrep Pro painting. So my company, if we come in and we produce an exterior repaint, we're going to do the restoration to make it sound again. We're going to clean it very well. Everything's going to be repaired and then coated, right? So a lot of painters don't do restoration or repair work. As a matter of fact, I tried to hire a crew to do a small little ceiling repair with just some putty a few days ago, and they were like, hey, we don't mess with that. We're not going to repair a ceiling at all we do is straight paint. And I wonder how they get along, because every job that I come across here in Northern Kentucky and Cincinnati, when it comes to exterior painting, there's some type of repair or restoration that needs to be done. So I feel that early on, I felt that my company needed to be able to do these repairs and restoration, and that's why I took the time myself personally to learn how to do them all, so that I could manage my crews and manage my men on how to properly do them. So the painting contractors in the area that just strictly paint, I imagine that that is a hassle for the homeowner to have to hire somebody to come in and do the repair, and then also come hire somebody to come in and then paint. And then here recently I also ran into a painting crew that claimed that they don't clean anything before they paint. And I thought to myself, wow, I really feel sorry for the homeowners in the area. They just don't have a great selection of people to produce exterior restoration and painting work. It's very odd. But I want you guys to know that with my company, it's complete. We offer full restoration. I don't care if every soffit on this house needed to be replaced. We could offer that to the customer. Trim boards that need to be repaired or replaced, we can do that. The cleaning beforehand, we do that, right? Don't hire somebody to come and do exterior painting on your house and they tell you, hey, we don't do cleaning, so we're just coming to paint, right? That's horrible. It's horrible. It's one of the worst things I've ever heard. But anyways, I'm getting off topic here. The Triple Crown interior exterior painting project is underway. It's under production. It's being produced, and we should be done here in a few days. So stand by for that.